Hi, I'm Tim, the cheap 3D printer. It is May 1st, 2018. I should be by this point in time unboxing my 3D Geek Box for the month of April. I should have been unboxing it a couple days ago. I should have probably been unboxing it a week ago, but I'm not. I'm sitting here with no box. I have the notification that my order has been processed. I have received the email of what I will be getting, which, by the way, if you want to know what's in it this month, it's a black PLA, and it's their Charlie Brown PLA. I've received those, but I have not received my box, nor have I received my shipping notification for the month of April's 3D Geek Box. Come on, Maker Geeks. You're better than this. You can do better than this. We can get these products out to us in the month that they're supposed to be processed, in the month that we're supposed to be getting them. You're now going to be several days into the month of May before I receive April's box, which means I'm going to be even further into the month of June before I receive May's box. And it's going to continue until we're an entire month behind. It's supposed to be a monthly subscription, not a whenever I feel like getting it out to you subscription. Maker Geeks, you're better than this. Let's get them out to us. Have a wonderful day. Keep printing and keep printing cheap.